When we ask to God, to the universe, to life, to whatever you believe in, when you ask with intention, what do you want to know? We'll believe that you are going to get an answer 100%. It doesn't matter how tough you think is the answer, how impossible it is to get that answer, that question, you're always gonna get the answer. Be careful what you ask for, you will receive. And one of those questions that I have, that I ask, was how did I get here? And there were a lot of images showing to me, events and all sort of things. Then I got to this point where I saw my mother and my father, but they don't have a physical body. They are just a light, yellowish, whitish. They don't have a face. They don't use voice. They are just there. And you know which one is who because it's like you feel it from within yourself. It's like a interconnection. There's a connection there happening. They look exactly the same as energy color, but there is a distinction from one of the another who represents the female and the male energy. But the interesting thing here is it's like I was there. It's like I was looking at myself from a third person. And then I was there. My light was like the same color but smaller. It's like I'm the child. But the interesting thing here is it's like if I was my mom, if I was my dad, and I was me. It's like if I was three things at one. It's like three people at once, but not people because it's like they don't have a body, they don't have a face, they don't have hands, they don't speak like this with words. It's like the whole conversation is like from with them, and you just know which one is who, what is happening, and what is going on because you ask something, right? So this is being answered to you. So there were a lot of things that they were showing to me, like a lot of things. There are certain things that I cannot talk about because because time jumping is real. And if you describe the exact image with too much details that I could be compromise you to that time, it could shift something, just to say the least. So after I understood that part, that I was created by pure love, I also felt it's like my mother, my father, me, and a smaller energy. We're talking at the same time. We are the same, but on top of that, it's like something else watching is watching. And then when I notice it, when I notice it, and after everything was explained to me, okay, they say this. Like I ask, what is that? Like who is looking? Like who is this? What is that? and they told me, they say, when you come back, we'll tell you. I mean, when you come back, we'll tell you. But the interesting thing here is like when that was happening, also I want to say that that sort of happens in sort of like a state of meditation. It's like you're fully conscious. You can hear what is going on around you if you hear anything. It's like you're fully awake, but your body is like sleep, like heavy, like it's just there. Like like you're doing that intentionally. Your body's just like it's like it's there, but you're not in your body, sort of thing. And even if you hear something while you are in that deep meditation, it's not strong enough to shift you because it's like your whole energy is in what is happening. It's like it's, it's predominating whatever is going on, even stronger than the physical. It's like it is a connection, and it seems like until the question is not answered, the communication is like there because when I ask who what is watching us and then they say to me, when you come back, then I ask, like, I was asking question like like how when I come back, like who's this, like in there. And in the next video, i'm gonna tell you I'm gonna tell you something that happened almost a year after. It's like when I asked that while I was there, something shifted. I don't know, something that triggers something. I am very curious, and I always have been fascinated about life and our existence and purpose here as living this human experience. I know who are my parents. This is physical. A lot of people have been here many times. Some of them can remember. Maybe some do remember that they are way older than what they seem. You know, they could be, they came here, left, decide if they want to come back, and then, or wander around a little bit, come back, or wandering around a little bit for some time, and come back to not miss the grand finale. The grand finale. You wanna know where is the grand finale? I mean, I should say one of the grand finale. Because at this point, I'm sure there are many. I'm sure there are many of them, one after the other. If you seek, you're going to find, for sure. two things that I want to say before closing this video. And the first one is every time when I come back, when the communication is over, I notice that it happens every time that I want to know more. But it feels in a way if my body cannot process that energy yet. But if I want to know, I had to be prepared, to receive that energy. And that's why when it normally the communication ends, like I come back to fully and control my body, like being back in my physical after this deep meditation. So I wanted to say that normally that's how it cuts. It's either when the question is already answered or when I want to know more than what I should know. And it's kind of like, okay, no more. And the other thing that I want to say is about my parents, my energetic parents. They are literally like pure love. And something happened. They told me a lot of things, guys. And if you don't believe me or you want to find out, ask. Ask. That's all you can do. Ask and wait for the answer. My parents, both, they're literally pure love. I don't know what you're getting out of this video, but there are all kinds of kids in this world. Good kids, evil kids. I hope you know what I mean. I mean it as energies, as human beings, what they represent, what is actually from within themselves. Stay safe. Thank you for watching.